Would you like ideas for how to cook healthy and delicious meals? Twinkl Yum have a vast collection of healthy recipes and dishes that can help encourage creativity in the kitchen. With various recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, you'll have lots of options to get you through the day. There are even options for different diets like vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free. Get children started in the kitchen with this exciting new collection of child-friendly recipes with a bake-off theme. They are a great way to get children into the kitchen, learning something new, and giving baking a go. For families on a budget, there are recipes that aren't too pricey to make and can feed up to 4 people. There's a good mix of different types of food as well, so you can choose what you're interested in. There are also some healthy lunchbox ideas for kids. These easy lunchbox recipes don't take too long to make, and there are plenty of options to give lunch variety. Most importantly, they're healthy and nutritious. The recipes can be downloaded easily from the Twinkl website, and you might even like to try printing out some of your favorite recipes and keeping them together in a kind of recipe book. I'll leave some helpful links to these resources in the description below, so make sure that you check them out. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.